Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download data from your PayPal account. You can easily download your PayPal data, including transaction history, account statements, and activity logs by following these steps. Launch open your PayPal application on your mobile device, or you can also visit paypal.com. After you're inside the homepage of PayPal, click on the human icon at the top right corner. This will open up your profile section. From your profile section, click on Data and Privacy. Now under Manage Your Data, tap on Download Your Data. Choose the type of data you want to download from the options. After selecting them, select the file format and then simply click on Submit a Request. And that's how your data from your PayPal account will be downloaded. You may need to go ahead and verify your mobile phone number in order to proceed with the process. Simply enter the 6-digit verification code you will receive via SMS on your phone number and follow through the instructions. It usually takes 24 hours to prepare your data, but in a few cases, it may take up to 30 days. You'll receive an email when your data is ready on your registered email address. So that's how you easily download your data from PayPal. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.